add Google fonts to your React application. Remember, there are so many font families in Google, right? Provided by Google, that you can add to your React application. So first of all, this is my React application. This is how it looks like. Ensure that your application is connected to Tailwind CSS, and then you'll be good to go. So what do you need to do? Go to your browser, search for Google Fonts. Click on the Google Fonts. Search for the font families that you are actually that you want to use in your application. Click on Roboto, get font. First of all, let me just remove all the font families that I already added. Look for maybe Roboto, click on it, get font, go back home, look for another one. For example, let me click on which one 64. Let me just click on this one. Let me just take these two. So I'll go to click on this kind of a cat. Click on it. It will bring you to this page, and then click on the first button here, get embed code. Click on it, and then go to web link. So I'll copy all of this, go to your React application. Let me zoom. Click on index.html, go to your HTML file in your React application. Just on the header section, paste the code, and then now go to your Tailwind config.js. Just inside the theme, inside extend, add what we call font family, right? Font family, right? And then open it, and then add the font families that you actually got from Google Fonts. So for example, I got Roboto. So what you need to do here, start with Roboto. So remember, this name that you are passing here is the name that you'll use in your class name. And then what you are providing in the array is actually the name of the fonts. So it will be Roboto. And then you also need to provide what you call fallback. Fallback means in an event that Roboto is not working, sans serif will actually take over. So remember, this Roboto is actually the same exact name that you actually got from Google Fonts. So you can see it is capital R. So ensure that you just pass the name the way it was. And then we also have 64. You can see it, the way it is written. So for me, inside here, I will just come and add maybe 64 in small letters. 64 in small letters. And then now pass now the 64, which is the way it is written, and then pass the fallback. So this one is a fallback in an event 64 will not work. Now you are good to go. So go to your JSX file, and then you can now add, you can now test the font families. So I'll come here and say font Roboto to test, and then for this one I'll come and say font 64, and then go and check your application. As simple as that.